students. In the last class, we have studied about what is charge, define charge, and conservation of charge, electron theory of charging. These are all topic covered in the last class, right? Today we shall discuss quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. Correct? Here we know that total charge on any body, is always equal to integral multiple of elementary charge. This is a definition for actual definition for quantization of charge. In general, quantization means it is available in fixed amount. It is available in fixed amount. Fixed amount. So quantization ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So here Q equals, we know that according to definition of quantization of charge, total charge on any body is always equal to integral multiple of, where n is integer, E is elementary charge. Elementary charge means it is very smallest charge. It is very smallest charge. Smallest charge. Very smallest charge. Here the value of E is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Very smallest charge. Here electron is not a fundamental particle. Clear? Electron is not a fundamental particle. So see, here charge of one electron is taken as E equals 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. It is minus. Then it is denoted as charge of one electron. Suppose it is taken plus E, that is charge of one proton. Clear? Clear? See, here it is available. Quantization of charge is available like this: plus E, 1E, plus 2E, plus NE, or minus 1E, minus 2E, minus NE. It means Q equals plus or minus NE, because N is integer. That's why available in both positive and negative quantity. Suppose, see, it is a body. Suppose electron escaped from the body, it becomes positive charge. Suppose electron given to the body, then body become negative charge. Transfer of electron. Here electron ejected from the body, then body become positive. Electron given to the body, then body becomes negative charge. Clear? Here suppose two electron removing from the body, then we get how much charge? Plus 2E, because electron loss, body become positive charge. How many electron loss? 2 electron. Clear? Suppose 2 electron given to the body, then body charge is minus 2E. Clear? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆದರೆ, ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದ 2.5 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್. ಈ ಬಾಡಿಲಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು, ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 3.5 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ದಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿಚ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. 2/3E, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್. 3/4E, this is wrong. Clear? Charge is always mentioned in integer quantity only. Integer means what? These are the values. integer. Plus 1e, plus 2e, plus 3, dot dot dot, and so on, plus in e. Here it is negative values, minus 1e, minus 2e, dot dot dot, minus in e. When we take minus charge, electron given to the body, then body become negative charge. 2 electron given to body, then what is the charge? Q equals minus 2e. Clear? What is the use of this quantitation of charge? What is the use of this quantitation of charge? Clear? It is available in fixed amount. Quantization means available in fixed amount. Here charge available in fixed amount. Okay? Charge available in fixed amount. Charge available in fixed amount. Correct? Okay. See. What is the use of quantization of charge? What is the use of quantization of charge? See. First one, to find. First one, charge, total charge on any body. Total charge on a body. Total charge on a body. Okay. Second one, to find number of electrons or protons. Number of electrons or protons on a body or proton. This is the uses of quantization of charge. Uses of quantization of charge. Uses of quantization of charge. First one, to find what? Total charge on a body. Second one, the number of electrons or protons exist in the body. Clear? See, one question taken like this. Here the charge on a body is 8 into 10 raised to minus 18 coulomb. Then we find number of electron. We find number of electron. We use the formula according to quantization of charge. Q equals what? Ne plus or minus Ne. Okay, N is integer. Okay. Q equals, we know that Ne. Correct? What we find in the given case? We find what? Number of electron. In the given formula, which one is number of electron? N is number of electrons. Then we find N. N equals what? Q divided by E. What is Q? Charge. Charge on the body. Charge on the body is how much? 8 into 10 raised to minus 18 coulomb divided by, what is the charge of one electron? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb get cancelled. Here, what we write? 8 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 18, 10 raised to minus 19 goes to our numerator, it becomes 10, correct? Then 1.6, here 80 divided by 16, it can be write like this, point remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 1 digit move ಆದರೆ 10 ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ 80 divided by 16 into 10. 16 ones are 16 5s are 5 10s are 50. Then N equals 50 electrons available in the body. Clear? How many electrons available in the body? 50 electrons. This is the use of quantization of charge. What we find in the given case? The number of electrons or protons. That is the use of quantization of charge. Once again, I will explain about quantization of charge. Definition of quantization of charge. Your total charge on any body is always equal to integral multiple of elementary charge. Ne means what? It is into integral multiple of elementary charge. What is elementary charge? It is the very smallest charge. It is very smallest charge. E. Clear? Okay. Next, we can go for way of charging the body. Clear? This one is clear? Okay. Way of charging a body. Way of charging a body. Okay. Or method of charging. Method of charging. Method of charging. Okay. Mainly three methods are there. Which Which are those? Anybody? Here, conduction, friction, and induction. Clear? Three methods of charging. Before going to we studied method of charging. First we know that electron theory of charging. Electron theory of charging. Electron theory of charging. Electron theory of charging. In the last class, I have already explained carbon atomic number 6. Here it is neutral when equal number of proton, equal number of electron, correct? What is the charge of this atom? 6 plus E plus 6 minus E. What is the answer? Q equals 0, correct? Plus into plus 6E plus 6E minus 6E. What is the answer? 0. It means charge of an atom 0, it means it is neutral charge. Suppose electron escaped from the atom, then it becomes electron loss from the body. Electron loss from the body become positive charge. Electron given to the body become negative charge. Clear? Yes. We know this one, then easily understand the method of charging. Here first one, conduction method. What is conduction method? It is a direct method to charge the body. Direct method. Suppose for conduction, it is charged body. Here it is a negatively charged body. Here it is neutral body. Neutral means what? Total charge on the body is 0. Then electron transferred when they are in contact. Suppose these two spheres contact with each other, then electron transferred. After transferring the electron, here both bodies are negative charge. With the contact, the neutral body becomes charged, then the method is called conduction method. Clear? With the contact, physical contact. That's why it is say direct method. Here in the given case, two sphere or two size of body is same. Here it is a charge of given body. It is neutral body 0. They are in contact when your size, shape, material is same. In such cases, the charge of first body is Q, the charge of second body is 0. The charge of second body is 0. 0 means what? Neutral. After contacting with each other, then charge flow like this. Here first body charge Q by 2, second body charge Q by 2. It means sharing of charge for both the body, they are same. Here Q can be divided into two parts, Q by 2. When it is possible, here size, shape and material is same. In such a case, charge distributed like this. Clear? What is conduction method? Here method of charging, it is a method of charging a body with contact. Then it is called conduction method. Clear? Okay. Next we can go for second one. What is conduction method? It is a method of charging a body with physical contact. Physical contact or direct method. Then friction by rubbing. It is a method of charging a body by rubbing two suitable materials. Clear? By rubbing two suitable materials. Suppose example, glass rod rubbed with silk cloth. Before rubbing, they charge like this, plus, minus. Both are neutral. Here it is, what is the charge? 3 plus E plus 3 minus E. What is the answer? 0. Q equals 0. What is the charge? 3 plus E plus 3 minus E. What is the answer? Q equals 0. Both are neutral before rubbing. After rubbing, what happens? See. After rubbing. After rubbing, see what happens. Electron flows from glass rod to silk cloth. Plus, 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 minus, minus. One electron flowing to the silk cloth. Silk cloth. Plus, 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 minus, 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 minus. Because one electron flowing after rubbing, the electron flowing from this body to this body. Which body loses electron? It becomes negative. Sorry, positive charge. It becomes positive charge. It becomes negative charge. Clear? Before the rubbing, both are neutral. After rubbing, here one is positive charge, other one is negative charge. This method is called friction. By rubbing with two suitable materials, the body becomes charged. This method is called friction method. Example, glass rod rubbed with silk cloth. ನೀವು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಾಡನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೂ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಾಡ್ ರಬ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಗೆ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವಾಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಪೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕೂಮ್ ರಬ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಏರ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಕೂಮ್ ರಬ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಏರ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. Clear? Okay. Induction method. Without physical contact. Without physical contact. Without physical contact, body should be charged. Without physical contact, body should be charged. See, it is a neutral sphere. Neutral means Q equals what? 0. 0 means charge ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 0. ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್? 3 plus E. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್? 3 minus E. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? 3 electron charge, 3 plus E. How many electron? 3 electron. 3 electron charge, 3 minus E. Add it, answer is 0. Here we know that Q equals NE, correct? How many proton? 3, correct? How many electron? 3. It is what? Charge of 1 electron or charge of 1 proton? Clear? Yes. Q equals 0. It is a neutral, which is this is insulating stand. Here metallic charge, so neutral charged sphere is kept on the insulating stand because charge are not flowing through the stand. Then which is connected to the earthing. See, it is insulating stand which is connected to the earthing. Earthing a wire connect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Here plus plus plus, correct? This minus this minus. Before going to the earthing, here it is a charged glass rod. Charged glass rod means glass in which charge? After rubbing, positive charge. This positively charged glass rod is not contact with this metallic sphere. Then these positively charged glass rod attracts electron, negative charge. This proton repulsed by positively charged glass rod. That's why charges redistributions takes place after bringing this positively charged glass nearer to this metallic sphere. Then charges redistributions takes place. These are negative charge accumulate on one side, positive charge accumulate on other side. Okay, see here, after redistribution of charges, this metallic sphere is connected to the earthing by the help of conducting wire. It is a wire. Wire is a conductor. Then electron flowing from the earth towards the sphere. These positively charged, 3 positively charged particle attracts by the 3 electron which is coming from the earth. Then these 3 proton completely neutralized by the coming electron from the earth. This sand is completely neutralized. This sand is completely neutral. Neutral means what? Neutral means what? Q is 0. How many proton? 3 proton. How many electron from the earth? 3 electron. They are combined, then Q is 0 at this end only. But these electron which is not moving towards the earth because due to the attractive force between these two bodies. This positive charge attracts these electrons. That's why these electrons which cannot move towards the earth. Clear? After removal of this glass rod, then break this wire. Wire na cut madi. Then these negatively charged accumulate uniformly throughout whole sphere. Then this sphere purely become negative charge. Clear? Clear? This is a method of induction. In the first one, a neutral charged sphere is kept on the insulating stand. Then we take one positively charged glass rod. This bring nearer to the neutral charged metallic sphere. Then charges redistribution takes place. Here charges accumulate on negative charge accumulate on one side, positive charge accumulate on the other side. Then this is connected. This end is connected to the earthing. Then this end is completely neutralized. Then after removal of this one, these charges uniformly distributed through whole sphere. Then charged sphere is taken, negatively charged sphere. In the beginning neutral, at the climax it is negatively charged. Clear? ಈ ವೈರನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಾಡನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಾಡನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗಳು ಅರ್ಥಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅರ್ಥಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಈ ವೈರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಾಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇದನ್ನ ವೈರ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಾಡನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈ ತರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೈರ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Clear? Yes. 3 methods of charging. First one is conduction, second one is friction, and third one is induction. Very simple definition. With physical contact, the body is charged. Then it is called conduction. By rubbing, that is called friction. Without physical contact, that is called induction. Clear? Yes. It is my first class video. You know that you type electric charge and field 01. You type in YouTube, we get the first class complete information video. Clear? In the first class, what we write? Introduction and the second one, method of charging. You're charging the body. 3 methods. Which are those? Conduction, friction, and property of charge. These information available in my first video. Clear? It is also covered in first video. Clear? See. Last 2 minutes. Just recall what happened. What are the information in my first video? Here, first one, introduction. Second one, property of charge. Third one, method of charging. These information available in my first video, method of charging. Clear? Introduction, what is charge? SI unit of charge, correct? How charges are measured? It complete information in the introduction. Second one, property of charge. I am already explained 2 properties of charge. One is conservation, second one is first one, conservative property of charge. Second one, quantization of charge, correct? Quantization of charge. Third one, additive property of charge. Fourth one, invariance of electric charge. Charge is not change, that is invariance. These 4 properties are there, properties of electric charge, but more important these 2. That's why I am already explained for these 2, conservative property charge and quantitation of charge. Your method of charging, three method: conduction, induction and friction. Clear? Okay? Yes, my dear student, please subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos.